Hello friends. Want an easy way to share your Wi-Fi details? In this video I will teach you how to create a Wi-Fi QR code and display it in your home. Then visitors can use a QR code scanner app on their phones to access those details quickly and easily. How to make a QR code to share your Wi-Fi password. Step 1. Gather your Wi-Fi details. Step 2. Go to the https://wifi.org/. This is a website that creates QR codes specifically for your Wi-Fi password. Step 3. Select your encryption type. Use the drop-down menu next to encryption type to select WPA, WPA2, or WEP, or none. Step 4. Enter your network name. Use the bar at the top of the page to enter your network name. It's the bar labeled SSID. Step 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the second text box to enter your Wi-Fi password. It's the box labeled key. Step 6. Click Generate. Step 7. Click Print. It's above the QR code. This prints the QR code on a sheet of paper. Visitors can scan the QR code with their smartphone to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Display the QR code where you want it.